Welcome to this video on item management in the x2x RMH Acumatica integration. In this tutorial, we will explore how this integration streamlines your item data, synchronizing seamlessly between Acumatica and RMH. Let's dive in. The x2x RMH Acumatica integration is designed to ensure accurate, real-time item management. Whether you're creating new inventory items, updating prices, or managing categories, this integration keeps your data consistent across platforms. The integration ensures that any new items or updates made in Acumatica are reflected in RMH. For instance, if you update the price of an item in Acumatica, the change will instantly synchronize with RMH. This eliminates manual data entry and reduces the risk of errors. Managing stock levels is simple and efficient. Item stock will sync with RMH's POS system for easier sales and reporting. Stock levels are also updated in real time, giving you full visibility into available inventory. With the x2x RMH Acumatica integration, you can streamline item management, ensure data accuracy, and save valuable time. Whether you're adding new items, updating prices, or managing stock levels, this integration simplifies the process. Thank you for watching. For more information or assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.